Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Apex Legends error, and the error is disconnect Steam ID mismatch. So if you're getting this error in the Apex Legends game, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to close both game and Steam and then launch Steam and then clear download cache and then launch the Apex Legends game and then check. So first of all close the Apex Legends game if it is running, then also close Steam. So also close Steam. Make sure Steam is also closed from here. So click on this arrow icon and then right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam. This will exit the Steam completely. Then relaunch Steam. So open Steam again. And once the Steam get launched, then clear download cache. So click on this word Steam and then click on settings. Go to the downloads tab. Scroll down and next to clear download cache, click on clear cache. Now this will clear the download cache, and this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log in to Steam again. Do you wish to continue? So click on confirm. This will close the Steam and then again relaunch the Steam. And once it is done, then you can go ahead, launch the Apex Legends game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Apex Legends game. This is just an example. I am showing with another game. But you have to right click on Apex Legends game and then click on properties, then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to make your correct Steam account is linked to your EA account. So you have to make sure that current Steam account is linked to your EA account. If not, then log out from Steam and then log in back to Steam with correct account, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to restart PC and launch Steam as an admin. So simply restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then in Windows search type Steam and then open the Steam as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow, and then you can go ahead and launch the Apex Legends game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to close Riot Vanguard. Now if you have installed Valorant or Leagues of Legends game on your PC, then this Riot Vanguard also get installed with the game. So if it is running in the background, so right click on this arrow icon, then right click on Riot Vanguard and then click on exit Vanguard and then click on yes to close it. This will turn off Riot Vanguard, and after turning off the Riot Vanguard, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. This is the solution from one of the users from the EA forums. Fix is to disconnect VPN. So launch VPN. You can install any VPN of a choice from the internet, such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Cloudflare, etc. And then launch the VPN and then connect to a different location than your current location. Then start the game. And once you are in the game, just turn off the VPN and this will fix the issue. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then check for Steam status. Sometimes Steam is under maintenance. So in such case, you must wait for a few hours and then check back later. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Apex Legends error, disconnect Steam ID mismatch. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.